In this video, I'll show you how you can kite as an ADC in League of Legends. Now, kiting is essentially where you're shooting and then walking right after. And let me just show you an example. Now, if you shoot and then immediately walk, this is kiting, okay? Now, the more attack speed you have, the harder it can be. Honestly, if you're really good at it, if you have low attack speed, it can actually be quite hard. But I mean, if you're used to the fast attack speed. But to kite, what you need to do is come in here in the options, go to game settings, make sure you have attack move on cursor on. Then what else you want to do is you want to make sure you have your A key. So go to hotkeys, player movement, make sure you have a key that you can press easily. I have mine on A, and that's about it. Then what you want to do is press A, shoot, and then walk. You don't have to click on the target because we activated attack move on cursor, and this does so you just have to click close to the target. So even if you don't hit him, it's okay. You can click close to him, just like this. Now what you do is A click and move, and if you use the attack speed, this is how it's gonna look. This way you can keep walking and dodging abilities even while you're shooting. And that's basically how you can kite in League of Legends. Now it's really good as an ADC and even on other roles, but mainly for the ADC. And if you become really good at this, it will make it much easier in your ranked games to rank up. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.